Hello everyone. If you're facing this error, the experience developer has temporarily shut down the experience server, error code 274 on Roblox, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix error code 274 on Roblox. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to open up your start menu. You're going to write here control panel. You're going to click on to uninstall a program right next to programs. You're going to find Roblox on here and just go ahead and uninstall Roblox. I've already uninstalled it, so I don't have it here, but you're just going to find Roblox and click on uninstall here. And after that, what you're going to do is you're going to open up your start menu. You're going to write here run. You're going to go on to app data. You're going to go on to this folder local. You're going to find Roblox on here, and you're just going to delete everything from this folder. And then what you're going to do is you're going to open up your web browser, and then you're going to go on to roblox.com. And now you're just going to click onto any game you want to play and go ahead and download Roblox again. And once you download Roblox again, you won't face that error anymore because it's fully refreshed now. So there it is, guys. That's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you in my next video. Peace.